Welcome back to another boxing training video. Today we are going to be doing a basic exercise to help your movement and hand accuracy or your punching accuracy. All you need is a ball, preferably a tennis ball, because it's yellow and it somewhat bounces, and it has a good grip. So get your ball. Now, get into your fighting positions. And remember, make sure your foundation good. Not too wide. You don't want road rash on the genitalia. Not too close that your thunder thighs are rubbing together. No, but a good foundation that you can move. Everything feels all right. You feel stable. Right? Now get your ball. Start it with your lead hand and make sure your hand positioning good. Don't be lazy with this hand. Keep it up like you're fighting, right? So your ball is in your lead hand. You're gonna drop the ball, punch, catch while moving back. So it's gonna look like this, right? You see that? Let's do it again. So your ball's here. You're gonna drop, catch, step, slide. Again. So catch, right? You see when this ball drops, you see when I go to punch, I'm stepping, dragging back, right? So this drops, right? But yeah, look at the leader foot and look at the hand. When I'm here and pulling it back, this comes back and this leg comes back, right? But your foundation's good. You're not bringing it back all like this, right? No, you're bringing it here so your foundation good. So start again. So drop, catch, see? And then drop, right? And you see how I'm keeping my hands up the whole time so it looks like this, right? Treat it like you're always fighting. Master the basics so when you're getting the fight, the basics are like natural. You're breathing air, instinct, right? So now let's speed it up. So here, now you got the backwards, forward, same thing. You're here, step, drag, step, drag, step, drag, right? And then back, right? And then forward. But the only difference in going forward is now when you drop the ball, you want to step. So drop the ball, step. Drop the ball, step. So let's slow it down again. So you're here, step, 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 drag, 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 drag. All right? And then practice it. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And when you get good at that, you can mix it up. Right? There you go. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.